Stop. Stop. Get out, dude.
Get out, dude.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Erica and I create beauty videos, hair videos, as well as lifestyle videos. So if any of those things interest you, definitely consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button down below. Okay, I'm watching you. Okay, make sure you hit that button. Also, make sure you hit the post notification bell to see each time I upload a new video. So today we are doing a nice calm slay in my eyes. I'm giving you guys a matte soft glam. I've been wanting to do this for a minute now and I'm just getting around to it. I hope that you guys like the way this turned out. I definitely like the way this turned out. This is super wearable for any event. So if you want to see how I got this look, then stay tuned. So we're gonna start off. Brows are already done. I'm going in my Juvia's Place palette and I'm taking that brown shade and I'm just going to be applying it to my crease area and more so the outer edge of my eye. So we're just going to be applying this eyeshadow to get it as vibrant as we like, and we're gonna also be blending that shade out. So next I'm going in with my BH, that is my Morphe 35R palette, you guys. And I'm taking that lighter brown and I'm going to be placing that above that brown. And then I'm going to be taking this very light shade. We're going to use this twice. We're going to put this under the brow bone. And then later on, we're just going to be applying that to our lids. Like, this is so simple. It did not take long to do eyeshadow. I only used 3 colors. So I really like how this turned out. So I'm taking that concealer and I'm just applying it to my lids a little bit. I didn't really want to do a cut crease, but I kind of wanted a little bit more lid space in a sense. So you can do a full on cut crease, but I just wanted that beige color to really pop, so I went in with a lighter concealer.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do.
Once we have everything how we like it, I'm just going back in with that brush to make sure everything is blended. And then I'm taking like this cool tone brown because I wanted to play with some warm tones and cool tones to give a nice balance. I didn't want it to be too warm, and I definitely did not want my look to be too cool. So we're playing with some colors here, and we're just going to be adding that to the outer crease, and we are satisfied. So next we will be doing our base. I literally was about to forget to put on primer, but I'm just using the e.l.f. primer, and then I'm just using the Maybelline Fit Me. This is the Dewy primer, and this is my summer Lord Jesus. This is my summer foundation shade. I'm using the Fit Me shade, foundation shade. This is in Mocha, but it is a bit red, but I'm gonna show you guys how we balance all that out.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an everything's how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
So once my foundation is finished, I'm just going back in with the LA Pro concealer in espresso, and I'm just doing a bit of color correcting under my eyes and around my mouth. Sometimes, you know, the foundation do not get everything, so I like to either go in with this shade or I'll go in with an orange shade to correct. And then I'm going on top with the color toffee, and we're just going to be highlighting the face. This step is going to really just balance out the redness in my foundation. And it's always a way, you guys, you can make things where if your foundation is too warm, you can definitely balance it with like a cooler tone, a yellow tone concealer. So just keep that in mind. And I just decided to do a little bit of contouring. Y'all know I don't contour, but I just decided to try to contour my face. I'm using a cool tone darker brown, the Ruby Kiss concealer palette. It was okay. I'm not really a fan, but you know, whatever, life goes on. So I'm just gonna be blending out this concealer, and then I'm going to be going in with a second concealer to really just highlight and give that extraness to this look.
It's not that I want you to hear, yeah. It's not the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I can make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away, palm trees, beach views, and everything. All I want is
Alright, so time for my favorite part. I'm just going to be setting underneath my eyes with this Fit Me powder. I think this is in medium. I think this is medium. But y'all, I love this step so much. Like, this is a finishing powder, and I just been enjoying this finishing powder under my eyes. It really just makes the look snatched. And then I'm going right behind it with the Black Radiance setting powder, not translucent, setting powder in Banana. Y'all, I go over everything. It makes my brows look better. It just makes everything look flawless, and I personally like doing this because I do have pores in my cheek area, and it definitely fills in the pores, and it just gives me like this flawless, seamless base that I love so much. So once that is done, I'm just going to be doing some bronzing around my face, and then I'm just adding some black liner underneath. I rarely do this, but we're doing that, and I'm just going to be like blending everything out, getting everything right for you guys. And I think I go in and add my lashes a little bit later, but right now I'm just going to be applying the shadow on the bottom of my eyes just to make everything flow.
then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air, breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby,
So lashes are on, and I'm just going to be doing like a simple lip. I'm taking this really, really dark brown liner, and I'm going to be lining my lips with that first, and then I'm going to be using kind of like a medium brown tone liner. I think that's what it's called. It's like a medium brown LA Pro liner, and once I do that, I'm just going to be taking my Revlon nude furry lipstick and placing that, and then I'm going to just take a nudish gloss. Look at that lipstick, bro. A nudish gloss and put it on top just to bring a little bit more light to it, and then I'm going to put a clear gloss on top. And y'all, that is going to be my look. Like, I hope you guys like this as much as I did. Like, I've been wanting to do a neutral eye like this for a while, and this is just gonna be like one of those go-to looks. It looks so good. Like, this turned out so good. But if you have not subscribed to my channel as of now, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and leave me comments as to what you guys want to see in future videos. And as always, I will see y'all in my next one.